What's up, everyone? I got my NA2J here. I'm just trying to swap the wiring harness. Sure you guys can see the other one back there. That's the good one. I replaced a decent amount of seals over there. The front main seal and the rear main seal on that one is good. As you can see, the rear main seal on this one was absolutely trash. I'll try to get a better angle of that. Look at that. It's just splattered all around there. Everywhere is full of grease all around there. Even on the transmission, which is hard to see now, but there we go. Look at all that grease all around there. Destroyed. Right now I'm just working on transferring the wiring. There's this wire here. You can trace it along. This one here basically was plugged into the transmission, as well as, let's follow this up here, this one here too. So I'm just chasing this line, these wires, all the way through into the harness on this engine, and it goes all the way down to here into this. Now I've been looking at these and it looks like they don't go to one specific plug. After I finally strip all of this rubber housing and plastic housing and tape and whatnot, I'm seeing that there are certain wires that have the same like color codings that on it as the ones that I'm trying to free up over there. They're in like different plugs. So like there's one on this blue plug and like another two on like this one here and another one on that. So I think I might have to repin this, which is something I'm hoping that I'm incorrect with, but I'll see eventually, and then can go from there.